Hello everyone, I am Nilesh Mari. I am from Pune. I have completed my graduation in Bachelor of Commerce with special subject Advanced Accounting from Chanmal Tarachand Bora College, Shirur with 7.30 CGPA. I believe the knowledge about finance is quite essential in this modern world. So now I am pursuing my CBOK course. CBOK stands Certified Investment Banking Operational Program from Imarticus Learning Pune to learn about finance and investment banking operations. Along with I am certified in MSCIT, Tally Prime and GST Basic. Coming to my soft skill, I also have teamwork ability and collaborative mindset. In my graduation day, I am a state level runner-up in debate competitions. That time I developed my soft skills like teamwork ability and collaborative mindset. I strongly believe the quote by Warren Bennis, leadership is the capacity to transfer vision into reality. In coming year, my vision is to become a top leading investment banking professional with the basis of my skill, solve to crucial operations and upcoming opportunities and learn into upcoming opportunities. It's all about me. Thank you.